Hey guys, Cody here with the Real Estate Freedom Formula, the 3 simple steps to making money wholesaling real estate so you can quit your day job. Now guys, in this video today, you're gonna learn how to put a home under contract. So stick with me now. While you're here, I want you to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell so it alerts you when we put fresh new content up. And let's get right into this video. All right guys, let's get right into this so that you guys can go out there and feel confident. Have the courage, have the faith to move forward and put these homes under contract. Now, I want you to understand up front, don't be nervous, don't be scared. This is something that you can do. I want you to understand that you cannot mess up a motivated seller. You just can't. I could literally take my 12-year-old boy Bentley, and if I was on a motivated call and going out to an appointment, right? And now I've set the appointment with someone, I'm going to their house, I'm gonna try and put their home under contract. If it's a truly motivated seller, I could send my 12-year-old in there and say, hey, my dad said it's this, and you need to just sign here. And they would sign, and my boy would come out with a big old smile on his face, say, Dad, I got the contract. You simply can't mess up a motivated seller. So don't feel like what you are doing or what you're not doing could ruin a deal. Yes, there's gonna, over time, deals that you can get and win that maybe you wouldn't have had you been, like, if you were polished up, you could have got that deal, right? But for most part, guys, if you're beginning in this, put a smile on your face. You can do deals. I was once a beginner and knew nothing, and I got a deal pretty dang quick. 39 days into trying this out, I got my first deal. So that's the key thing. Now, what I'm not going to cover in this video, but I do have other videos that break this down, is you should have already known that to find out if there's motivation, there's 4 big things to listen for, and you should see it in the banner up above right now that you can click on. That's going to break down the motivation of how to know if a seller is motivated and whether you should go on their appointment or not. That's the first point. The second step is you really need to understand of whether when you book the appointment, whether you're first on the appointment or whether you're last on the appointment. And that's crucial. Timing is everything. And I'm not going to cover on this because I just recently did a video on that, and you should see that right now in the banner as well, so you can click on that so you know about the timing. But on this one, it's now you're at the appointment. What do you do? What you need to do is you need to continue building rapport. You need to continue to slow down the seller. They're going to want to speed you up. So when you go on the appointment, you're going to be going up the stairs or going into the house, and they're going to be like, so what room do you want to see first? You just got to slow them down and be like, oh my gosh, that's a beautiful picture. I love that. Where was that taken? And just start talking to them, build rapport. But through this whole thing, what you're listening for are the problems that you can be a solution to. So they're gonna bring up things. So typical, like beginners, or even some of the ones that have been doing it for years, the biggest thing that I see go wrong is they're always spilling the benefit. Like, here's why you should use me. It's because we pay cash. We close quickly. You don't need to pay closing costs. You don't need to pay realtor fees. Like, we can take care of all that. Those are benefits. Don't sell benefits. Be solutions with those same bullet points. So when someone says, I just don't know what to do because I've got to be out of here in 7 days, instead of selling, hey, well, I can close in 7 days. Like, that's going to be great. Let's just do this. What I do is I slow down and say, okay, if I'm able to close in 7 days, would that help you out? And you'll start to see them like, oh my gosh, yes, that would help me out. So instead of selling your solution, just ask them, would this help it out? Be the solution, right? Don't sell your solution, be the solution. So when they say, we want to be gone not just in 7 days, but we have so much stuff in this house and I don't know how we're going to clear it out. Okay, what if you're able to just leave this stuff here? Would that help you out? Oh my gosh, yes, that would be amazing. Thank you, Cody. That'd be awesome if you could do that. Okay, and you're just jotting down some notes, and they're like, oh, but before the 7 days, like, we got to fix the toilet, we got to fix like the sink that's dripping, we got to touch up the paint because the house is in a mess in the back room, and the wallpaper's peeled off and everything. Oh, yeah, that's tough. What if I was able to buy this home as is, meaning you don't need to repair anything? Would that help you? Oh my gosh, you would buy this home in like the condition it's in? Well, it's possible, if I'm able to do that. Like, we'll go through this and see what it looks like, but if I'm able to do that, would that help you? And they're like, yes, that would help you. See the difference, guys? Instead of coming in there and just being like gung-ho, like, guys, here's why people use me. It's because I buy homes fast and I close with cash and there's no realtor fees and we buy it as is. Everyone's saying that, guys. Everyone's saying it. They start to talk and they start to be like Charlie Brown's mom. Womp, 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 and no one even listens to it. Just be the solution by asking them, if I'm able to do this, would that help you out? And they're like, yes, that would help me out. Now, guys, once you've built that rapport, you've established that you can be the solution, and they're like, let's move forward, and you've agreed upon a price. Maybe they're like, yeah, I can do 150. Here's what I do. Let's say if the home's worth $300,000, and you're able to get it under contract for 150. The big thing here is this. You want to be able to get the commitment before you pull out the agreement. Notice I say the word agreement, not contract. You want to get a commitment, not, okay, perfect, let's move forward. It's this. You never want to just, hey, let's move forward, because they'll take that contract and now they can say, well, I need time to think about it. Now they have the contract and they're just going to shop you around with all the other investors. To stop that, you just simply do this. Okay, so if I'm able to do 150, is that something that we can put an agreement together today? And if they say yes, and only when they say yes, that's when you say, okay, let's do that. Let's put the agreement together today. Let's do that right now. And you bring it out and you start doing it. But if there's like, nope, I can't put it together today, I need time to think about it, do not bring out that agreement. Do not let them have that. This is the biggest mistake most people do, is they allow them to have a contract or an agreement in the seller's hands, and then they walk off without it being signed, and now people just use that and shop you to get a higher price. It's crucial to understand you get a commitment from them. If you can do this, guys, you will get more homes under contract. It's just a simple question. If I'm able to pay 150 or whatever that price is, can we put the agreement together today? And if so, pull it out, get it signed, and get moving and walk out of there with the agreement, with the contract, so that the home's ready to go and no one else can buy it but you. This is crucial. I hope these simple little tricks, these simple little tips, these simple little tactics are helping you understand that it's not any one big thing that allows me to close 10 to 15 deals every single month. It's just little things. It's just changing a little bit how you say stuff. It's changing before you bring out the contract, making sure you get the commitment. And if you can do these little things, you too will start to close more deals. Hope this video has helped you. Again, guys, while you're here, I want you to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so it alerts you when we put fresh new content out there. And then also, we're gonna include a link at the bottom how you can learn a little bit about a free training, more like this, what's going on, so you can see the whole big picture of wholesaling. And if you want to get involved in that free training, just click on that link below. It'll send you to the free training so you can get out there, get out of your own way, and ultimately start make money wholesaling real estate so that you can quit your day job. Guys, thank you for being with me, and I'll see you next time on our next video.